Let me show you how I make my Nutella box cake. Pour your cold milk into a pan. From there, you're gonna add your sugar, vanilla sugar, or vanilla extract, and you're gonna add your pudding packets. I do it like this now because it shortens the amount of time and there's less dishes to be washed after. Mix until everything is well combined, and don't step too far away from the stove. You wanna keep your eye on this and stir occasionally because we don't want that bottom to burn. Once we get a nice, beautiful, thick consistency, we're gonna let this sit out at room temperature until it cools completely. I'm gonna start with that bottom layer of cookies, so just dip your cookies into some milk, and then you're gonna make a nice, even layer. I then break up some cookies so that I can get a nice even layer at the bottom. Next, heat up your Nutella in the microwave for roughly 30 seconds. You want it to be nice and spreadable over the cookies. Add another layer of dipped cookies on top of that Nutella. Then we're going to place this in the freezer for roughly 30 minutes. When your pudding is completely cooled, you're then going to take your mixer and you're going to just make sure we get out all of those lumps. So it's going to take a couple minutes, but this is a very important step. Next, we're gonna add in our mascarpone cheese. I love working with mascarpone because it's not salty like cream cheese, but it's not sweet, so you can add as much sugar as you'd like to your dessert. We're gonna mix that in, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our heavy cream in a separate bowl that you see right there. We're gonna add in some powdered sugar, and we're gonna mix that together until we get nice, fluffy whipped cream. To finish off this really easy filling, we're just gonna combine that heavy cream with that pudding mascarpone mixture, and you're gonna fold that. So what that means is we're gonna take our spatula, see how I'm going around that bowl? I'm not gonna use a whisk. The reason why is if I were to whisk this together, I'm gonna lose those beautiful air bubbles that that heavy cream mixture, that whipped cream has, and I don't want that. I want this to be nice and fluffy and airy. We want a beautiful, nice, and even layer on top, so make sure you get that filling in every single nook and cranny of your baking dish. Now, I topped mine with some whipped cream, a drizzle of Nutella, and a little cookie on top, but it is either way with no decoration on top, phenomenal, super easy, and so good. Thank you guys so much for watching Irma Sofra, for all your support. I'm so happy to be back. Please make sure to like this video and comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. And again, thank you so much for watching Irma Sofra.